In this question, the side of an equilateral triangle is given as 3.5 and we have to find out its perimeter. So, it is an equilateral triangle, this indicates that all the sides are equal. So, if ABC is a triangle, it implies that AB, BC and CA are equal to each other. So, one side is given 3.5. So, since all the sides are equal in an equilateral triangle, we can say that AB will also be 3.5 centimeter and AC will also be 3.5 centimeter. Now, the question here is to find the perimeter. Now, perimeter of a triangle is actually the sum of the three sides of the triangle. In this case, the side is given 3.5, which means that the perimeter will be 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 or 3.5 multiplied by 3. So, in this case, what are we going to do? We are going to add these numbers. So, 5, 10, 15, the total is 15, 5 and 1 carried over. So, 3, 6, 9 and 10 and the decimal is placed here right below this. So, we get the answer as 10.5, the unit will be in centimeters. Now, instead of a triangle, we could have been given a rectangle and we could have been given some dimension. Let us say we are given a rectangle and the length is 2.8 and the breadth is 1.2 centimeter each, and the question is again find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Now, in this case, the figure from triangle has changed to a rectangle. The perimeter formula for a rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B. This is also implying the same thing, that we are adding the four sides of the rectangle, but by formula we can say it is twice of length plus twice of breadth or 2 bracket L plus B. So, we can say this is twice of length is 2.8, the breadth is 1.2. So, this is going to be 2. When I solve this 2.8 and 1.2, I will add this 2.8 and 1.2, we are going to get 8 and 2 is 10. So, 0 and 1 carried, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, the decimal comes right below this. So, we get 4.0 or we can write it simply as 4, because after decimal this 0 will not have any significance here. So, if I write here 4, we get 2 multiplied by 4, the result will be 8 centimeter. So, this is how we add two decimals. In the same way, we can also subtract decimals. For example, if you are given subtract 6.2 minus 1.1, we are going to write 6.2 here and 1.1 here. We will subtract 2 and 1, we get 1, 6 minus 1, we get 5. So, 5.1 will be the result on subtraction of 6.2 and 1.1. So, addition and subtraction of decimals are quite simple. Multiplication and division we have already seen, and all these can be used in various problems to get the accurate value.